How to Draw Cool Stuff, a drawing guide for teachers and students by Catherine V Holmes, is a thoughtfully crafted instructional book designed to help both beginners and those with some drawing experience improve their skills. This book has gained considerable popularity, reflected in its high customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 from over 21,000 reviewers. It holds notable ranks in illustration and graphic design categories, demonstrating its relevance and value in the art education community. The book is published by Library Tales Publishing and comes in a hardcover format with 253 pages, measuring 8.25 by 11 inches, making it a substantial resource for anyone serious about learning to draw. One of the most striking qualities of this book is its approachability for a wide range of users. Although it was originally written with teachers and students in mind, many users have found it equally effective for self-study and home use. The author's intent is clear: to help readers see the world differently through drawing and to develop their skills step by step. The instructions are detailed and encourage active participation, requiring readers to write notes and complete activities within the book itself. This interactive element enhances the learning process by engaging users more deeply than a typical passive reading experience. Users report that the book is particularly helpful for those who have long wanted to learn to draw but have not known where to start. The gradual progression of lessons builds confidence quickly, and many readers note significant improvement in their drawing abilities within a short time of practice. The book's structure supports discipline and regular practice, which are essential for artistic growth. The detailed guidance helps readers understand fundamental concepts and techniques, making the learning curve manageable and rewarding. The content covers a broad spectrum of drawing subjects and styles, catering to different interests and skill levels. It includes a variety of exercises that challenge users to observe and replicate shapes, forms, and perspectives accurately. This diversity keeps the learning process engaging and allows users to explore different aspects of drawing, from simple shapes to more complex figures and scenes. Several reviewers highlight the book's suitability for both young learners and adults. While some children may find certain instructions challenging to follow independently, the book remains a valuable tool when used with some guidance. It has been praised for its ability to help users of all ages learn quickly and effectively. Educators have found it useful not only for art classes, but also for integrating drawing into other subjects, enhancing creativity across the curriculum. The physical quality of the book is also appreciated. It arrives well packaged and free from defects, with a durable hardcover that supports repeated use. The size and layout are convenient for both classroom and personal use, allowing ample space for notes and sketches. On the downside, some users mention that the book may not be the easiest for very young children to navigate on their own due to the complexity of some concepts. However, this is a minor limitation considering the book's overall educational value and the support it offers for guided learning. In summary, How to Draw Cool Stuff stands out as an effective, well-designed drawing guide that inspires confidence and skill development in its users. Its detailed instructions, interactive format, and broad appeal make it a strong recommendation for anyone interested in learning to draw or improving their existing skills. The book's ability to serve both educational and personal enrichment purposes adds to its versatility and appeal. For those seeking a comprehensive resource to begin or continue their drawing journey, this book offers a solid foundation and ongoing support. Readers are encouraged to use the link in the description to support the channel and to leave their own reviews to help others make informed decisions about this valuable drawing guide.